Question 4. Which equation has no real solutions? So when we're looking for a number of solutions, we think of the discriminant. That's the part of the quadratic formula under the radical, b squared minus 4ac, because once we know what's inside that radical, we know all about the types of solutions we're going to get. So what does that mean? B squared minus 4ac. So let's remember that if our quadratic expression or equation is in standard form, it's a is that first number, right? That's the coefficient of x squared. B is that second number, the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So in this case, if we have to put in b squared, b would be 4. So I'm going to take away that b, and I'm going to put in 4. Okay? Instead of a, we want to put in 2. So I'm going to erase a, and I'm going to replace it with 2. And lastly, we have c. c is 5. So I'm going to take away c, and I'm going to put in 5. Okay, and now let's see what I get. If I simplify, if you're my student, you know you have a calculator on the test. I don't care if you put this all in the calculator, but otherwise you could follow along with me. 4 squared is 16, and then we're subtracting 4 times 2, which is 8. That's 8, and then 8 times 5 is 40. So we're doing 16 minus 40. That is negative 24. We cannot take the root of a negative number. So this is an example of not real solutions, unreal solutions, okay? So choice A has no real solutions because of that negative inside the radical. We cannot take the negative of a radical. So I'm sorry, I'm tripping over my words here. We cannot take the root of a negative number. So if we have a negative inside the radical, that means our discriminant is negative. Our solutions are not real.